Hello everyone, so in this video we will discuss about circular function. What is circular function? Circular function, it is called trigonometric function, have domains that are set of numbers that correspond to the angle of trigonometric function in radians. Circular functions are also called trigonometric function. Also, this set of function is considered circular because the function describes a point on a circle as the function of an angle which is defined by radians. So, first function that we will define is sine. The sine of an acute angle is defined in the context of a right triangle. The second one is cosine, the trigonometric function that is equal to the ratio of side adjacent to an acute angle to the hypotenuse. The third one is secant, the ratio of the hypotenuse to the shorter side adjacent to an acute angle in a right angle triangle, the reciprocal of a cosine. The fourth one is cosecant, a trigonometric function which the angle is considered part and the leg opposite the angle. The fifth one is tangent. A circle is straight line which touches the circle at only one point. And the last is cotangent. Is the reciprocal of the tangent function. It describes as the ratio of the length of the adjacent side to the length of the hypotenuse in a triangle. 6 circular function. 6 circular function are sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. So these are the first two functions that we have in circular function. First, cosine theta is equivalent to x and sine theta is equivalent to y. Now, let's have the third function that is secant theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 over cosine theta. If cosine is x, secant theta is equal to 1 over x. Now, let's have the fourth circular function that is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 over sine theta. If sine theta is y, so cosecant theta is equal to 1 over y. Now, let's have the fifth circular function that is tangent theta. Tangent theta is equal to sine over cosine theta, that is equivalent to y over x, because sine theta is equal to y and cosine theta is equal to x. Now, let's have the last one, the sixth function of circular, that is called cotangent theta. Cotangent theta is equivalent to cosine theta over sine theta. So, cotangent theta is equal to x and y. So, these are the 6 circular functions. Our unit circle. What is unit circle? The unit circle is a circle with a radius of 1. This means that for any straight line from the center point of the circle to any point along the edge of the circle, the length of that line will always equal to 1. So for example, find the 6 circular function of pi over 3. So by using this unit circle, so let's have our unit circle. We have quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. In quadrant 1, we can see our given, which is pi over 3, 60 degree, pi over 3, the coordinates 1 over 2, and square root of 3 over 2. From this coordinate, we can obtain the 6 circular function. We have sine, cosine, secant, cosecant, tangent, and cotangent. In converting radian degrees, we simply multiply by 180 over pi. Pi over 3 times 180 over pi, which is 60 degree. Next, let's have obtain our sixth circular function. Let's start with cosine. So we have cosine 60 is equal to 1 half. 1 half, that's our x coordinate. Let's have with sine 60 square root of 3 over 2. That's our y coordinate. Next, we have tangent 60 is equal to sine over cosine, which square root of 3 over 2, and 1 half is our cosine. Next, we find the reciprocal of the denominator and multiply it to the numerator. So we will have square root of 3 over 2 and then multiply by 2 over 1. 2 over 1 is the reciprocal of 1 half. Then we can cancel 2. Our tangent 60 is equal to square root of 3. And then next we have secant 60. It is the reciprocal of cosine. If our cosine is 1 half, the reciprocal is 2. We have cosecant 60. This is the reciprocal of sine. We have square root of 3 over 2. The reciprocal of is 2 over square root of 3. And then we multiply square root of 3 over square root of 3. Let's multiply 2 square root of 3 over 3. The cotangent, the reciprocal of tangent, we have square root of 3, so 1 square root of 3 in cotangent. So it equals square root of 3 over 3. That's all. Thank you.